And hello guys, I'm Damien, and today I got another tutorial for you guys. I'm going to teach you guys how to make Kilik, Edgemaster, and if not, Elysium have their own individual weapon. For instance, I'm going to make Kilik have Shiba style, or Edgemaster have Alpha Patroclus. And if not, we'll also have Elysium have Pure or Pure Omega, with the rightful weapons, by the way. So, the thing is, what we're going to do is create our three characters. We'll make Kilik, 1P, and we're going to finish and go back to data slot selection. And repeat this with Edgemaster, and finish. And last but not least, Pure. These will all be first player characters. Let's go ahead and finish that. Quit this. Back to data slot. The thing is, once you save your data, you'll have to go back to your desktop or dashboard, whatever you guys want to call it. Go to settings. Go to your device settings and go to your save data, swap over your save data from your Soul Calibur 5 from your hard drive to your thumb drive. And once you do that, you gotta send it right into the computer and open up Horizon. Go to Games, Soul Calibur 5, and open up your save datas. Computer, and then click and drag your Soul Calibur 5 save data into your folder. Hey. Once you do that, you're gonna click and drag it into your Horizon, hex editor. First, you're gonna click Control F and find Kilik. You're gonna go all the way up. You're not gonna go to his weapons quite yet. Because the thing is, the weapons don't matter right now until you change one code in the settings. So give it a second. There's the 7 Ys. There's some random junk. More random junk. And there's the 7 Ys. Thing is, you're going to go and find Kilik. Kilik will be A1. You'll see that there's an A1 here. Don't change that one. Change the last A1 that's closer to the Fs. You can change that A1 into Shiba, which will be 15. Let's go ahead and change that to 15. Now you're going to go all the way back down to the starting of the 7 Ys. Because if you don't change the weapon for the 7 Ys, it's gonna give you Maxi, because it was preset to Maxi, which is 010000, which will give Maxi's original first player nunchuck. So let's go ahead and go down there, and it looks like I just passed my groups of 7 Ys. I was not paying attention. Let's see here. More 4 Ys. Wow, can't believe I passed it up that fast. Here we go. 7 Ys. So the thing is, there's Maxi style, which Kilik with Maxi, kind of awkward. Let's go ahead and change that to Shiba, which is 15. 15. And then we're gonna go back to the Dropbox user and change it to Kali-Yuga. So it starts from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're gonna go back here and change this other group here which, by the way, this is the style, and this is the weapon. We're going to change the weapon to 04, which is aka Kali-Yuga. Now we're going to hit Control F once more and find Edge Master. Same thing, go back to the 7 Ys. It's kind of tedious because I don't have my mouse to scroll up faster because I gotta use the arrow key up. For some reason my touchpad, you have to use 2 fingers to scroll up, don't work anymore, so I gotta use this. And there's the 7 Ys. And there's our groups of Ys right there. So we're working for we're working for Kilik. We're working for Edge Master. Edge Master is a 05, which there's a 05 closer to the Fs, and we're gonna go ahead and change that. What am I doing? Change that to APAT, which is 13. 13. And once more, go back to your first groups of 7 Ys. Seven Ys. Still going? Oh, here we go. Right here. Now we're gonna look for. Oh. This one's gonna be a bomb. The thing is, I gotta work individual for this. I think it's these. I'm not sure, but I'm not gonna mess with that yet, because what Edge Master's got, once you change his style to Alpha Patroclus, it's not gonna be Alpha Patroclus. It's gonna be actually Mitsurugi, or AKA Mitsunubi the Spamurai, which his code is 00. So when his code is set to 00 and his weapon is set to 00, you're gonna have a hell of a time fighting a bunch of these zeros. So once we get in the game, we're gonna go in and change his weapon to whatever it needs to be. Say it can be the 08 or 04 weapon, whatever it is. And once we do that, we'll get back in here and change to that style. Let's go ahead and save. Nope, not save. Go ahead and hit this and find Elysium. Same concept. Find the Ys. There's our equipment we just passed. We just passed the weapon. And then there's our groups of Ys. So the thing is, we're gonna find style Soul of Elysium, which is 19. There's a 19. And we're gonna go ahead and send it to Pura, not Pure Omega, because I suck at Pure Omega. And we're gonna set it to 10. What the? No. 0. I know, actually. Dang it. 1, 0. And then now back to this, the first starting of the 7 Ys. Once more. Was that the starting of it? Ys? Why? Ah, here it is. Just passed it a little bit. There we go. So, right now she got the soul of Ivy. So we're going to change that to Pura. So it'll be 10, 0, 0, and then we're going to go back to the Dropbox user content, wherever the hell this is, and you're going to go find Pura. It's just the Pura set here. You got Pura and you got Pure Omega, because the Pura starts with this weapon and Pure Omega starts with this weapon. So we're going to go all the way up to here. So 00, 01, 02, 03, 04, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So back to hex editor and type in 08. Once that's done, we're going to say file, save as, save this data, yes. A quick tip, if this data doesn't convert into the horizon, you can always take this file, because this file is your backup file of your save. You're gonna click it, right click it first. You want to make sure you highlight it, and then rename it. Go back and just delete .back. When you do that, it will save it as a file type. Then you can save it into your thumb drive to get your original save back. So you don't go, oh, I worked so hard on this file, but this dude sat there and made me corrupt my file, and I don't need that. So there's that backup if you need it, if any chance this one is not working. Sometimes that horizon will say this is bad and this will not work on your Xbox. So let's go ahead and rehash and reassign this. Open it.
Hey.
Rehash and resigned. Right click the file in an injured file. And click on the same file. This file here, this you can just ignore because I had my profile logged in here. So I'm just going to skip the step. And yes.
Hey.
And it was successfully saved to the flash drive. Let's go ahead and get in there and check Edgemaster out, because we need to change his style, his weapon, to a different weapon style so I can find it easier in the code. Because Mitsunubi is freaking hard to give, because it doesn't help when his style is 00. So let's go ahead and go in creations. Edgemaster, which says Alpha Patroclus. Let's go ahead and edit him. Weapon style. So it says Alpha Patroclus, and it looks like he's holding a Alpha Patroclus weapon. The thing is, that is not an Alpha Patroclus weapon. It's the Muichi Monji, aka Mitsunubi's katana. We're going to go ahead and set that to Edgemaster, which is a 08, if I'm correct. No, it's not a 08, I think. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's a 07 weapon. So we'll go ahead, stop there, and we're going to finish a go to data slot selection. Go back home, tie a screen, and eject that. Go back to the computer. No, I don't want to change color scheme. Son of a I forgot to show you guys the video. So what I showed you that I swapped what I tried to show you guys is I swapped Edgemaster's weapon into the master katana for the Edgemaster's Mitsunubi style. Go back in here. Oh, nope, not gamer profiles. Games, Soul Calibur. Since that worked, you can delete these and then convert it there. And turn that off. Click and drag it back into Horizon. No, I don't want it in the folder. Get out of there. Son of a excuse my language. Delete item. Come on. Drag it. There we go. Control F. Edgemaster. Let's go ahead and find his 7 Ys. There's the equipment we're passing. And then there's the 7 Ys. So 07, there it is. So there's Miss Newbie style, which we're gonna go ahead and set that to APAT, which is 13. 13, 00, and we're gonna sit there and set the, where's it at? Aha. There it is. We're going to send it to the master. So 00, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So which is already at 7. And we'll leave it like that. So, once we do that, we're going to go save as, save the data, drop that, also drop that. So much junk. And we're going to quick fix it once more.
Hey.
Rehash and resigned. Inject file. Skip the step. Yes.
Hey.
And accepted the Edgemaster style. And let's go ahead and bring this up. And stretch this so you guys can see more of it. And the thing, we're going to eject the thumb drive back into the 360. So let's go ahead and creations. So Kilik with Shiba, which you will see right here, says Kilik, and now this says Shiba. Over here it says Edgemaster, but it says style Alpha Trochilus, and Elysium style Pura. So let's check out Kilik. Weapon style Kali-Yuga. There's that one. Edgemaster, edit. Weapon style Alpha Trochilus, nice. The Master, good, because it gave us the weapon we needed, along with the right style. And let's go ahead and check out Elysium. Weapon style Soul Calibur, which for some reason I don't have that weapon either. Okay, I probably have to beat the story mode. I haven't beat that yet. So let's go ahead and go to versus and show that these styles actually work. Go ahead and use Edgemaster, and I'm going to go ahead and use Elysium. So Edgemaster versus Elysium. Check that out. The thing is, once you change the style, the codes by the 7Y, not 7 Ys, codes by the groups of Ys, the guy that voiced Ansem will say Soul of Alpha Trochilus instead of Edgemaster. So, oh hi, thanks for the hug. Wow, I did a lot of damage for a grab. Oh man, my skills are like, ugh. Ugh, kick me. Man. Oh, a grab. I'll kick you. I'll kick you. I'll kick you. Okay, now that's that end of that round. You'll see that we keep our weapons still. Oh, wow. You didn't even finish that move, woman. Oh, maybe go for your toes. Toes. There we go. I jumped over you. What you gotta do about it, huh? Aha! Bye. So there's those two. But once you change Elysium, Elysium will not get her what's it called? Yeah, the camera kind of gets all whacked out sometimes. See, with Elysium, once you change her code by the groups of Ys, she will not get her critical edge anymore. She will get Pyrrha's critical edge. So let's go ahead and go to character select and show off Shiva. Not Shiva. Why would I say Shiva for some reason? Let's show off Kilik. Once we do that, let's go ahead and go to creations and show my Ezio Auditore. Well, my female assassin. When I showed you that groups of Y change, name change, the groups of Ys, when we changed that group, that one code, I also tried it for my assassin, which she was originally Dampierre style Dampierre, but I went in that code and changed the Dampierre style, the style of Dampierre to style of Ezio Auditore. So every time I go to her, it shows Ezio Auditore in the style and Ezio Auditore in the background. So if you make yourself your own custom character and you wanted a style of Ezio or style of Algol, you can do that, and you won't have your permanent record saying, "Oh, I have it shows Dampierre all over it because I was using Ezio style." Well, you can do that to get your thing to show Ezio. Well, not just a lot of Ezios, just one Ezio. If you're a really good Ezio fighter. So let's go ahead and get these two going and show that my Kilik will be nothing but Shiva style. But the one thing though that won't work is that Kilik does not have his 2-2 AAA attack when he goes from high, medium, low attack. That won't work because he's Shiva now. Wow. Stop with the low kicks. Holy crap. Oh, what the? Well, that kind of sucked. Okay, let's try this again. Hey, your fault for being back there. Oh, come on. How do I do that move? There we go. That's what I was wanting to do. Acha! I was always wanting to do that move. For some reason I never figured it out. Now I can. Yeah! Over here. I'm over here. What you got it now? Oh, nothing. Yeah, and if you taunt with Kilik, he actually keeps his taunt. Because when he sits there and points, he'll point at you and stuff and whatnot. Come on. Oh, I stole it. I stole it. So guys, if you guys like this video, please leave a like. If not, subscribe. In future reference, I will try to do more mods of Soul Calibur. But the one things I will not try to do is try to hack clothing. For some reason I can't figure that one out. But I think I can change voices. Because it's just one string of code. I can probably tweak around with that. I can make a certain character if you want me to make some creations, feel free to ask me. Because I can use anybody for any style. Like I can make a Cell with Al Gold style, or I can make Ganondorf with Al Gold, or whatnot. Or I can make a random assassin or something with SEO. Just leave it in the comments, and I'll see if I can get to you guys. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys laters.